Hey, it's H here. Today we are taking a look at technical analysis for silver. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide targets and invalidation levels for the presented accounts. Let's get going. Starting from a 1 hour time frame and with the RSI, we can see this declining trend line here that hasn't been triggered too many times, but we can see that it is some kind of slope coming down. Currently we are again pumping quite big here and seeing if there is going to be another rejection downwards. There is possibility for this to still go down for quite a few days with this trend line, but I would be only getting bullish if we are going to actually break this. At the moment I'm still looking for bearish scenarios here, so let's take a look closer. This is the bearish scenario in which we have created this WXY and creating another A, B and C. After that as well, of course, as we have only created two structures, we would be looking to create another structure. This correction is bearish just because we are creating some sort of three-way move upwards higher. Depending on, of course, how low this goes, we would be looking at a WXY or an ABC structure. And yeah, bearish just because we are correcting higher does not mean bullish. This bearish scenario overall, and we are correcting something that happened here higher, right? So not much to go on from here on bearish scenario. We are still looking for, I've moved this A from here to here now that we had this wick here, so we can't have the wave B. I had the wave B here previously, saying that we had an A, B and C coming down up to the wave B here, but the wave C here, or this structure here, took out the highs, so we have to have this as the high point or end of B in order to have the possibility for wave C to come here. So that's why I've labeled this as such. So yeah, this structure here for the wave B is a zigzag, and we can see that we come right into the minimum target of that, the 0.618, which is again the minimum we need to be looking for the zigzag, and that fills up. So from here we would be looking for wave C, but we're going to be covering the same scenario on the bullish one, so let's take a closer look on that one as well. On the bullish one, we have this setup still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 1 or an A wave. Then we would be looking for wave 2, downwards correcting. Here I've labeled this as A or a W, B or X, and then looking for downwards movement to most likely take out these lows here. Currently we are pumping a bit, but I've labeled this as, again, three-way structure just because of the first leg here. Let's take a closer look what that looks like. So here we have again the B or X, and then we would be looking for, actually these are on wrong degrees. This should be, of course, micro, and this is one lower, so this is submicro, and this is minuscule, and this is less than minuscule. There we go, that's fixed. And of course we need to change the colors because that helps. I hope that helps to recognize what structures and what Fibonacci extensions are part of which count, or which degree, I mean. But yeah, let's get back into here. So why I'm labeling this as a three-way structure here is just because we don't have any pullbacks here. Even on 10-minute, this is the only structure that we could say that, okay, that is the wave 2. But again, comparing it to the wave 4, that is way so short. So instead I'm going to be labeling this as a some kind of A, B and C coming down to W. Okay, the wave X here, just because we don't get to the 85.4 retracement area, so yeah, that is the reason why X is here. Then we would be looking for three-wave move downwards. Now again, in this case we wouldn't be expecting this to be an ABC, so we could be deleting that, but I'll keep it on just for now, see what we can come up with next time when we are covering this. For the X wave, again, three waves, On the last leg of wave Y, we would be looking for A, B, and C. Now, I see this as a three-way move here, some kind of zigzag pattern, then another zigzag into B, and then B did come to the 85.4 retracement of this first leg, which means again that we are qualified for a flat. So we would be looking for wave C as a 5-wave structure. So here I've labeled a 1, 2, another 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and 5. It makes kind of sense that we have a flat pattern here on the wave 2 and now have an alteration for wave 2, or wave 4, sorry. We do have that invalidation right here at $21.9. Again, that is getting really close. We would need to start heading down soon. We do have some kind of bearish divergence or bearish oversold scenarios already happening on 10 minutes, but we'll see what happens. We are right around the divergence area as well. We definitely have divergence between, well, can we call this? Let's take a look where we have the wave 2 ending. So wave 2 is ending actually up here. So it's this one, 57.36, 57.31. Yeah, so there is no divergence as of yet. So it is possible that we're still going to make one more high, but I'm not sure. We'll see if this is going to play out. Now, if we are not going to be, if this is going to be invalidated, then we would be most likely looking for some kind of a diagonal here. I'm not willing to set anything out for that yet, but according to some of this line, for example. But we'll see what happens. I'm not trading this at the moment. Possibly looking into this long setup though on a higher time frame, when we are going to get bullish divergences between these lower time frame counts, filling and ending the wave C of this sub-micro, ending the wave Y of micro, and ending the wave Y of sub-minuet, and ending the wave, is this 2? Yep, or wave B. And yeah, we'll see how the targets line up here properly. Currently we've already gotten really extended wave 3 here. So yeah, pretty much don't expect any extensions on the higher time frames here, as we did have that on the less than minuscule count here on the white one, same as the minuscule on the blue. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to share today. If you have other accounts you would like to share, there's a link to my Discord server in the description below as well. And also, if you would like me to update a certain asset, let me know in the comments below. If you would like to have a certain asset that I haven't covered before on the channel as well, there's a poll going on in the Discord server, so go and vote. But yeah, that's pretty much all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.